most one-of-a-kind checkups ever. Dogface watch these playful pups hilariously interrupt their own exams while the vet tries to stay calm amid all the adorable chaos. The first time the two siblings went for a checkup, a bit nervous.
Two years later.
Nice to meet you. Can I say hello to you? My name's Tom. You can say hello. Hi. Hello. Wow. That's a nice t-shirt.
What she means is, no need to hold me so tightly. I'm just acting.
Я понял. Ай, зараза. Вот не услышишь.
Doctor, just do your work. I'm only whining for fun.
I got my ankles microwaved.
X-rayed.
They took my blood away to use for science.
Cholesterol test.
April had her sinuses removed.
Looked at.
Some guy looked at my wiener, touched it. That was weird.
And that guy wasn't even a doctor.
That...
Dok, ganda, dahan-dahan lang ang inject ha.
Dahan-dahan lang, oh. Aray ko naman, Dok. Ang sakit-sakit naman nun. Oh, huwag mo na injigin yung bunganga ko, Dok. Tama na yun.
What is going on? Oh my goodness. Did he put himself like this? He's like, I'm ready.
He's like, let's go for it.
You are so well behaved.
Boy.
Vai, pode ir agora. O patinho dele aqui, pode ir. Pode ir. Segura aí. Segura o patinho. Ih, não tá não.
Meu Deus, cara.
재밌겠잖아. 보자.
Doobie-Doo did such a great job at the veterinary clinic.
When I look at you, I can't believe it's true. You're all I ever dreamed of, and you love me.
He's like, now that you're in the video. Let me get that.
Not noisy or rowdy, just such an adorable and lovable dog.
Wawa naman yan, oh.
You're okay, baby. You're okay. You're okay. What's his name?
Jermaine.
Good boy, Jermaine. Good boy. You're okay, baby. Don't worry. You're okay. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. I know. I'm sorry.
Dante do his shit like.
Three reasons why I think Graffiti actually likes going to the vet. He proactively sits on the table and waits for his treatment. He always looks our vet in the eyes and gives her a gentle kiss. He knows she is there to keep him a healthy twog. He always wants to be
Good job.
And no scooting or looking or
No.
anything.
It's okay.
It's okay. Let's try. I just had to get him into a hug. It's okay. It's okay.
Can you please tell me your name and your date of birth? Okay, and can you tell me where you are right now? Okay, and what brought you in to see us today? Alright.
Short on treats, so I agreed to be a patient.
Okay. You take a couple deep breaths for me. Wonderful. Alright, and I'm gonna shine a bright light in your pupils. I can
Just try to pull my ponytail.
Alright, now let me just hold away from the wall for a second while I get this up there, and then I'll tell you when I'm ready. Okay? Alright. Go, Ace. Good job. Good job. Oh, this is so good. That's awesome. So,
She doesn't lick. She like eats.
She chomps.
Yeah.
what do you mean? I'll tell you something. Get a little closer up for you in the hiccups. All right, Tank's here again. We're getting our rabies vaccine today. So, look at this. You love these little treats. We get a close up on the eyes right here. Look how cute you are. Look at that. Look at that. Huh? Everything is so good today. Looking very good. Okay, I'm gonna give you a big pile of treats right here. Okay? So cute. You ready, buddy? Oh, this is good stuff. Okay, hold on. You go for it. Okay? This is gonna go on your right hind leg. Here we go. Go for it. Yeah! Eating the whole thing. Oh my gosh. Just like that, you didn't even know. bud. Hey, you scared? Come here. You got nothing to be scared about. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh. Hi. Hi. Hello. Oh, thanks for the kisses. Okay, let me give you my.
Mom took us to the vet today for a checkup and to get our nails trimmed. My anxiety is so bad that I need 1 anxiety meds before arrival, 2 the muscles, 3 ginger to come with me.
I got my ankles microwaved.
X-ray.
They took my blood away to use for science.
Cholesterol test.
April had her sinuses removed.
Looked at.
Some guy looked at my wiener, touched it. That was weird.
And that guy wasn't even...
Doctor, don't worry, it's just because it's cold.
Just yesterday, guys.
A Shiba dog that doesn't know how to scream.
Oh my god! Another brave puppy!
I got my ankles microwaved.
X-ray.
They took my blood away to use for science.
Cholesterol test.
April had her sinuses removed.
Looked at.
Some guy looked at my wiener, touched it. That was weird.
And that guy wasn't even a doctor.
That